Good morning, guys. It is Saturday morning in April, and we are headed to Wild Rye Brewing in Redmond, Oregon, and they're having a car show today. So we are going to take the old Harvester hauler, and I'm going to take the old Green Bean, my 1970 D1200 camper special 4-wheel drive pickup. Just a truck that I drive, nothing fancy. It's original paint, one owner before me, original interior. Nice old truck. I just thought some people would like to see what we do. So show you guys what we're hauling here. That's what we're taking. Lots of color. It's the first time anybody here locally at a car show has seen the Harvester hauler, so we'll see what they think and we'll take you guys along for the ride. Show you some of the other cars and stuff that are there and old trucks, and it should be a fun day. So we'll see in a few minutes. We'll show you the car show, and we'll show you where we're going to park and everything else. Okay. Can you see the old Green Bean 1970 pickup? She's back there looking good. See the mirror in there. Alright, well, he's getting his Starbucks. I guess I'll stop and get a bagel or something, I don't know. We'll see you guys in a few minutes at the show.
That's half of it. All right.
Let's go on for days. So get down to
I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do.
deal with the customer.
Just do that.
She's in lost.
Massive Westphalia group. That's awesome. Look at all those Westies. That's killer. So many buses. And the thing. Got just about everything here a guy could want.
Got good tunes. You see what him have to do is he's a ton.
Unreal. 84 Rabbit GTA. That thing is absolutely showroom new. Wow. Wow. Some hydros. My buddy Josh's 71 Blazer. My neighbor, 71 K5, and then that's his dad's Bronco. Pretty rad. cars over here.
It's beautiful. I should have picked up the phone when it got to you.
Not sure what's going on there. Couple Corvettes, pickup trucks. Love seeing all this original paint trucks. So many original paint rigs.
First
Look at this. Old square body Chevy, original paint, just buffed out. Love it. Got the dents and everything. That's killer. Old Delta 88. This is original paint car too. Look at that. 1976 Delta 88. I think it's mint. Small block Chevy and a square box Volvo. Gotta love that. Awesome. Clean old crew cab Ford. Never get tired of seeing a 57 Chevy. Never. It's one of my all-time favorite cars. Walk through all these buses. So killer. Unbelievable. Man. Don't see many of the 23 windows. So cool. I love Volkswagens. I don't know about you guys, I love them. Total model. It's awesome.
Yeah, no, I've ridden in a poodle, but...
Man. Sunroof, everything. Tell you what, it doesn't get much cooler than that. I don't care who you are. Safari front windows, sliding rag top, 23 window. I don't know if you guys know what you're looking at right there, but that's a $250,000 bus. Guarantee. I'm not a Volkswagen aficionado, like I don't know it all, but I bet you Barrett Jackson or Meekum, that thing's $250,000. So cool. It's absolutely pristine. '74 Volkswagen thing. That thing's rad. Look at it's got the little single wheel pivot trailer. You guys remember these? Oh, look at the little military dude in the back.
That's my mechanic. We call him Big Head Ed.
Awesome. Look at that. That might be the coolest thing I've seen so far.
Moving up higher so I can walk up.
License plate 031 MRH.
The old straight 8.
Is parked on private property and will be towed. So if you own a gray Ford truck of F-150 with the license plate of 031 MRH, they need to move.
And the old Toyota, you gotta love it, man. These things are, look how mint that is. Wow. 84. Beautiful. Wow.
Yeah, I get that with my GTO. It's an LS car, so.
The other problem I had, I just sit up there.
I've been looking both ways. I'll show you.
Yeah.
Wait, is it a car?
Surprised how many 924, 944 Porsches are here. I think that's the 4th one. It's crazy. Oh, the old mini truck. Mike Finnegan. Where are you, Mike?
Yeah. You must have. Maybe.
Jesus, it's so low.
There's another one of the dreams.
Love the old logo. Biggs Junction, that's just east of here on I-84. I wonder if that's, I bet that's a real place. Those might be painted on from later, but I bet that's just a real place.
Oh, yeah.
It's coming along. You know, I had the Malibu when I read here.
There you go. You'll have that.
And you got Fred Williams. Where are you, Fred? Dirthead Dave. Where are you guys? Retro Rides the Band. These are the guys that do all our paintwork. Patina polish. 55 Chevy they're building right now. This is their booth. There's their film guy right there. This is Eric right here. He's the owner. Check out that. Awesome. So yeah, Retro Rides the Bend. That's our paint polish guy. Does all of our bright work, trim work, everything for all of our trucks. That's how we are able to save these old original trucks and have the paint look just killer. These guys do amazing work for us. They build high-end hot rods, but they're local to us, so we're able to collaborate with them and do a lot of the paint work for saving our trucks. Pretty cool. Thing's killer. Somebody made that. That's amazing. So this is a lot like our 35. This is a 36, but ours is chop channeled, lowered. Would have been fun to park them next to each other. Little matching horse trailer and everything. That's awesome. All right, and here we are, boys and girls. That will conclude this video at the Wild Ride Brewery car show here in Central Oregon. Had a great day, saw a lot of great people, met great people, saw some of my vendors, and it's just been a fun day. I'm gonna go say hi to a few more people, and then we're gonna head back to the shop and get to work. We'll see you guys on the next one. Make sure you guys like, tag, share, and follow, and help us continue to tell the stories of these trucks.